This is one of a couple of glass and mirror and tarnished metal, brass-like metal finished trays that I own to keep my perfumes on. I am a perfume collector, I guess you could say. I have a lot, and this is a nice way to organize the scents that I have. I put them on the tray together. I wish I had more space to let them breathe, but it is what it is. I really, really enjoy these trays. I bought some other storage units as well, also made of mirror and or glass and brass, and they all go together quite cohesively. And it sort of elevates your storage. When you have a lot of perfume and you group them all together like that, it's considered one unit in the interior design space. And I agree with that. I think it looks really good, and I like knowing where all my stuff is located. I've had these for years, and as you can see, you might see some tarnishing. It does need to be kept clean, but it's quite a large tray, actually. I got the larger one of the two that were offered to me online. These trays make everything look just lovely. Recommend.